equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean microfiber cloth for internal cleaning. First, power off your Lenovo device and unplug the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the charger casing. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing with the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the casing as you do this. Inside, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris. Using the microfiber cloth, gently clean the internal parts. This not only helps in maintaining the charger but also ensures better performance. Now, locate the pin configuration area. This is typically marked and should be easy to identify. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once you've found the pin area, you will need to adjust the settings. Follow the instructions provided in your Lenovo manual for the specific steps to change the PIN. If you don't have the manual, you can usually find a digital copy on the Lenovo website. After changing the PIN, double-check your work. Ensure that all connections are secure and that there are no loose wires. If you're unsure, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can have peace of mind. Once you're satisfied, it's time to reassemble the charger. Carefully place the casing back together, ensuring that all components are aligned correctly. Replace the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the casing. Finally, plug the charger back in and power on your device. Test the new pin to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can know the costs upfront without any surprises. And that's it. You've successfully changed the pin on your Lenovo charger. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your fingertips. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.